Today I am reviewing the Cooler Master NR2 gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Cooler Master NR2 Pro Mini ITX gaming PC is an absolute powerhouse wrapped in an incredibly compact and stylish 18.25-liter chassis, delivering uncompromising performance in a footprint small enough to fit on almost any desk. Built for gamers, creators, and professionals who refuse to sacrifice speed or capability for size, this system is roughly the size of a large shoebox, yet packs the kind of high-end hardware you'd expect from a full-size tower. At the heart of this machine lies the AMD Ryzen 7800X3D, one of the most advanced gaming processors available today, running at 4.2 GHz base and boosting up to an impressive 5.0 GHz thanks to AMD's cutting-edge 3D V-Cache technology. With 8 cores and 16 threads, it's designed to deliver top-tier performance across gaming, streaming, and multitasking workloads. Paired with the Gigabyte RX 9070 XT 16GB graphics card, this system is more than capable of running the latest AAA games at ultra settings with frame rates well over 120 FPS at 1440p, and it's equally comfortable pushing high refresh rates in competitive esports titles. This combination ensures that whether you're a competitive gamer chasing every frame or a content creator handling heavy rendering workloads, the NR2 Pro Mini ITX won't break a sweat. Supporting this high-end CPU and GPU is the Gigabyte B650i Aorus Ultra motherboard, delivering rock-solid stability and access to the latest features, including PCIe Gen 4 support, high-speed memory compatibility, and efficient power delivery. For cooling, the system comes equipped with a 280mm AIO liquid cooler, ensuring the CPU stays at optimal temperatures even during long gaming marathons or heavy creative projects. This, combined with the excellent airflow design of the NR200P Max case, means you're getting whisper-quiet cooling performance without thermal throttling, allowing the hardware to operate at its maximum potential. Powering everything is a robust 850W80 Plus Gold certified power supply, providing both efficiency and headroom for future upgrades. Memory and storage are equally impressive. The Cooler Master NR2 Pro Mini ITX features 32GB of DDR5 6000 MHz RGB RAM in a dual-channel configuration, not only delivering blazing fast performance for multitasking and gaming, but also adding a touch of style with vibrant, customizable RGB lighting. Storage comes in the form of a 2TB Gen4 M.2 NVMe SSD, offering next-generation read and write speeds for near-instant boot times, lightning-fast game load screens, and smooth handling of massive files. With this much speed and capacity, you can store a vast game library, media collection, or professional project files without worrying about space or slowdowns. The case design offers versatility and style, with the option of either a tempered glass side panel to showcase your components and RGB lighting, or a mesh panel for improved airflow and cooling. Connectivity is excellent, with front panel access to USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C for high-speed data transfers, along with multiple USB 3.2 ports, HDMI, dual DisplayPort outputs, HD audio and mic jacks, and wireless connectivity options including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This makes the NR2 Pro Mini ITX as versatile for productivity and creative tasks as it is for gaming, allowing you to connect everything from VR headsets and capture cards to multiple monitors and professional-grade peripherals. What's particularly impressive is how Cooler Master has managed to fit all this high-end hardware and cooling into such a compact enclosure without compromising on thermals or noise levels. The NR2 Pro Mini ITX is the kind of system that can sit unobtrusively on a desk or be easily transported for LAN parties or creative work on the go, while still delivering the kind of performance that rivals or surpasses much larger desktops. With no unnecessary bloatware installed, you get a clean Windows 11 experience right out of the box, ensuring all the system's power is available for your games and applications. In short, the Cooler Master NR2 Pro Mini ITX is the perfect blend of small form factor convenience and high-performance hardware. It's ideal for gamers who want maximum frame rates, creators who demand fast rendering and smooth editing, and professionals who need a compact yet powerful machine for demanding workloads. With its premium components, exceptional cooling, massive storage, lightning-fast memory, and outstanding connectivity, this system proves that you don't need a giant tower to enjoy top-of-the-line performance.